Hey everybody. So today we're going to talk about your site identity. And site identity has to do with not only your logo, but also that little icon that appears up in the tab up in here, and the name and description or tagline of your site. Now, all of these things can be read by Google search, so it's important to have something in there besides, just another WordPress site or whatever the tagline usually is. So we're here on in the customizer. You can also get here by in the backhand going to appearance customize, and we're going to go to site identity, and you can select a site icon. That's that little icon that appears in the browser tabs. Okay, so select a site icon. You're just going to go to your media library, and you're going to just put it in there. And you can see it's not a very good site icon because you can barely see it, but so you'd want something a little bolder for that. But so that does that. And then for logo, we can do the same thing. We're going to upload a logo. We don't want to crop it. And you can make the logo as big or as small as you want. So pick something comfortable. And then we're going to go down here to the site title. Now, mine is a test blog. I don't want anybody to think they're coming to a real blog, so I named it a test blog. And my tagline is, "This is a test blog." You should put in whatever you want search to pick up. For example, this is my website over here. And when I am hovering over the tab, you can see it says step-by-step WordPress tutorials for beginners. That's what I've put in here, and that's what's going to show up. Some other examples. This is FounderPal. They just have dashboard. Let's see another one. ChatGPT, something. SEO map for WordPress, topical map. That's something that I've searched for on topicalmap.ai. So, and it shows up that it's an SEO map. So it makes things a little bit easier to for people to find things, and it's going to give Google a little bit of extra um, search juice, so you can be found more easily, because all of this stuff goes into the code of your website. It's going to be in the head of your website, and that's what Google reads when it's recommending searches to people. So make sure that you add some Google juice to this site identity. Thanks. Bye.